Hello, this is Ruth Owens. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the desktop application for Mendeley. When you set up your account for the web version, you should then be prompted to a page that looks like this, with a link to download the desktop application. If you do not see this page, go over to the right-hand top corner and click on the caret and download Mendeley, and then you should see a page similar to this. Then click Download Desktop App and follow the prompts to download the application to your computer. Once that is done, the Mendeley desktop application will open and you'll be prompted through a couple more install steps. Then it looks like this, and because I have set up a new account, there's nothing in here. But in the desktop application, on the left-hand side, you have your basic navigation. You can set up folders in here under Create Folder. So you could set up a folder for a specific class that you're taking or a paper that you're writing. And then when we begin to add papers, we can sort them into folders. I'll show you how to do this in a future video. But this is how you install the Mendeley desktop application. Future videos will talk about the web importer and importing papers and using citation features. Thank you.